Hello, classmates and teachers. My name is López. This is my grill project and bumpers in the diesel gasoline school center. In the master's degree in Automotive Business Administration. Mission. We are a group of companies that sell grills and bumpers. We work with brands that offer products and service of recognized quality, reliability, and safety. We are a group is the priority of our organization, and we provide comprehensive advice on our products and service, as well as financial tools that adapt to their we are a group of innovative companies that vision satisfy the mobility needs of our consumers through the sale of grills and bumpers, as well as everything necessary to facilitate accessibility, safety, and comfort. Company policies provide a mandatory training course to all new entrants to the organization. Provide solutions to the needs of the community that surrounds the company as part of its final results. Demonstrate zero tolerance for corruption, especially among your senior and middle management. Manage risks that are always accessible to the consumer. Contributed to the training of a generation of national workers directly and indirectly. Promote the spirit of work from leaders to workers. Provide company employees with a friendly, fun, and comforting environment for their daily jobs. This is a map of a process. This is the map of the process is the general mapping. In this we talk about the needs of the consumer. That is divided by three strategic, operational, and support parts. In the part of strategic is the customer service, the quality, management, and RH. In the operations are the orders, the planning, the manufacturing, the on the delivery, and in the support that is the communication, the purchase of the accounting, the staff, and the payrolls, and the end of all those is the consumer's satisfaction. Next, I will show you a non-conformity detection table that contains the steps to the follow to prove a non-conformity. Number 1. Indicate what is the origin. Number 2. Description of the non-conformity. Number 3. Analyze the cause. Number 4. Establish the plan of solution. Number 5. Resolution by the responsible. Number 6. Establish a corrective action. Number 7. Closure of the non-conformity. And number 8. Evaluate the effectiveness of the solution. In this case, we have that is the number 1 is the resistance, the wine, and the number 2, which is the phase of the format. Number 3, above designate. Number 4, the designate of part. Number 5, establish the period that is the 2 months. Number 6 is that look at the signing of pace. Number 7, the signing is the correct date and pace to the test. And in number 8, We have the new designing space with excellent in the test. Next, I will show you my drawing that contains both in the face and the rear, both front and back, and the bumpers. Next, I will show you my drawing that contains both in the face and the rear, both front and back, and the bumpers. In the next part, we have the photo that contains the strengths, weakness, opportunities, and the threats. In the part of the strengths, we have cheaper products, high customer loyalty, and specialization of products. In the part of the weakness, we have the character of products limited monthly sales and without presence on social networks. In the part of the opportunities is the easy adaptation of the new technologies, appearance of the new customers, and possibility of collaboration with competition. In the threats, we have tried a new competitors, very aggressive competition, and also change of habits in competition. In this table, we will observe analysis of the opportunities and risks. That is based on ISO 9001-2015 as a first part. We have an origin, the distribution, the probability, the relevance of the capacity, and the priority of results. As the first part, we have that in the origin is the external context parts and the interest of customer parts and interest of administration and the process. In the illustration part, we have a risk and opportunity, new international competitors in the market, consumers who will require an reputation, line new legal requirements that obligate consumers to hire new service, and possible errors in the market in order preparation do the incorporation and new staff. PSW is the form that summarizes the entire PPAP page. This form shows the reasons for the submission, the designing chain, annual revalidation, etc., and the level of the documents presented to the client. In the PSW format, we have as a first part the name of the part. This case is the bumpers and grill. Security and regulation of the authority of the modification. Planned date is shown the drawing, order number, the weight calibrator of this equipment to change the level of drawing. We also have as an information of the product of the supplier. We have a reason for the presentation in which we can say that is the first presentation. Shane will be worthy tools, change of your contractor, material or component change. We also have a necessary level of the presentation, that is 5 levels. We have a presentation of results and representation. We have an explanation, some comments, the full name, title, font, authority, signature of the provider, and a date. In the part, we have the control plan. In the table, we can find the control number of the plan, the production, work equipment, approval date, or other approvals date or organization, and date of relevance. We have as such the part number, the plane panel number of the process, in which we have as a base of fast grill and bumpers, fixing, emblems, and the lower side parts of the and screws. The production, we find the code of the supplier, machine of the type of manufacturing, product process, product specification, engineering, approval of the consumer, quality approval, and the age of the other approvals. Next, we show you a map. In the map, we can find the part analysis must have a description upon the shot. Failure model potential effect of the failure potential cause of the failure with the occurrence that happens current detection, controls, and recommended actions. In that case, we have the grid. In the recitation is air inlet potential. Mode of failure incorrect airflow or resistance against the with potential effect of failure. Doesn't cool the creator who use failure potential. Bad position, inclination of the grid, the occurrence that happens. This is the tree current detection, controls the reason, and the recommendation action is to shake the grid of improve as bumpers. We find the input and resistance against the wind that is broken, contagion effect of the foul bad. The effect of the signing occurrence with that happens is to current control the detection, reason, and recommended actions. Change the designing of the bumper. Competitor analysis. Changes in automotive production systems are widely related to the technological advance and changes in recent years. The sector has been characterized by a deep and high dynamic of competitiveness. Whose main characteristic is that large companies have to provide add value to the manufacturing process of auto parts. That includes a series of environmental and social responsibilities, the operation and reliability of the units, and more recently, focus on the areas of safety, reduction and impact of environment, unity refining the technological innovations implemented by some assemblers as a strategy to increase market penetration of certain models in particular. Technical chain, machine vision. The machine vision system is one of the automation technologies in the automotive industry. That means the need by providing an automatic internal inspection method for parts. The focus of BN is the carry of automatic image-based inspection and analysis for automatic inspection, process control, and robot guidance. Collaboration robots. Collaborative robots which can generally carry cables at machines that work independently without the need for human presence in their workspace. Conclusions. The preparation of this project gives us many advantages and disadvantages to determine whether of noise it's viable to carry out it. From the preparation of the product carrying of the different process and verifying It is complies with the different rules and standards that are currently necessary to comply with the law and total customer satisfaction.